Hello, I'm David Brown at Berkeley Nucleonics, and this video series is going to walk you through all the features and functionalities of SpectraCore, our newly released software tool that matches up with the beautiful new RTSAs, the ICX400. Each feature will be defined in a small video so you can bounce around to just the features you need. Please reach out to us so we can answer any questions you have and get your hands on one of the new 40 gigahertz real-time spectrum analyzers. I'm Berkeley Nucleonics. Hi, David here. A quick one today, how to use the waterfall graph in SpectraCore. Open SpectraCore and set start frequency to 89.1 megahertz, stop frequency to 110 megahertz, and resolution bandwidth to 50 kilohertz. Right-click the blank spectrum graph, and from the chart menu, select Create Subgraph, then Waterfall Graph to build the corresponding waterfall view. On that graph, frequency runs along the x-axis, time runs along the y-axis, and color depth shows power. In the graph submenu of the chart settings area, you control scan depth, time density, and color gradation. Scan depth sets the size of the cache along the waterfall's timeline. A smaller depth gives you a smaller draggable range on the timeline scroll bar, and a larger depth gives you more room to drag. Time density sets the refresh rate. Higher density refreshes faster, lower density refreshes slower. You can also pick a color gradation, sky color, sea color, jet color, and others to suit what you're looking at. Click pause to freeze the refresh. Click it again to resume, and click clear to reset the graph. Double-click the waterfall graph to open the reference marker. The marker submenu lets you toggle it on or off and change its color. Right-click and select Create Marker, pair to place reference marker M1R and difference marker M1D. The first line in the upper left shows the reference markers, frequency, power, and time. The second line shows the difference in each of those between the two markers. Select Export Image anytime you want to save the current waterfall view as a picture. Thanks for watching. Let's move on to the next software tool in SpectraCore to get you most out of your ICX Fieldhawk, the 40 gigahertz spectrum analyzer.